So I'm going to show you how to remove the controls for your shower so you can make any repairs that you need. Start off by shutting off your water. Make sure that it's all the way shut off, drained and everything. Use a sink or something that's lower than your shower if possible. Check that by running your shower, turn your shower on all the way, make sure it's all the way shut off. Then you'll need an Allen wrench, usually put it in the bottom right there, and then you can remove that. And then remove the rest of the shower. Depending on how it is, it may just twist off. Different ones are going to be different, so you'll have to just figure out exactly how yours goes together, but they usually come apart fairly easily though. Take off all the trim pieces and everything, and then there's usually inside of that you'll see the ring that holds all of the controls in there, the mixing valve and everything together. This one's held in by 4 Phillips screws. Take those out and make sure you set them aside. Don't lose them, don't drop them down the wall or anything. And then once you have those out and they're all removed and everything, then you can take that and you'll be able to pull the mixing valve out, and that piece right there is called the mixing valve. Make sure when you pull it out that you know exactly how it came out, because it has to go back in exactly the same way, otherwise you will reverse your hot and cold. So mark it or just set it to the side exactly how you pulled it out so that you can put it back in exactly the same way. And that's all you need to do to make other repairs that you need to do as far as cleaning it out. Anything else you need to do with that. Pretty simple.